Hello there, welcome again to Get Data Solution. In today's topic, we'll see Smartsheet, how we can use them, how we can use and improve our productivity. So we'll deal in that with that. So welcome to Get Data Solution. Once again, just before we just start the topic for today, let me tell you about Get Data Solution. This is a channel that is dedicated to create dashboard and other data management tools. Potential users are institutions and organizations, business people and individuals. The purpose of this channel is to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic reports, to reduce cost, to increase productivity, to make informed decision, as well as to manage your business as well as your project. So those are some of the purpose of this channel. So let me directly go to Smartsheet. So Smartsheet is a dynamic work and collaboration platform that serves as a central hub for managing project, tracking tasks, and automating workflows. So that is what Smartsheet is. So here is a breakdown of its functions. The first is to project for project management. You can create detailed project plans, assign tasks, set deadlines, and monitor progress with ease using Smartsheet. You can use it for task management, organizing tasks, prioritizing them, and tracking their completion status as well. You can use for collaboration purpose. You can share sheet with the team members, stakeholders, or clients for seamless collaboration and feedback. The other purpose of Smartsheet is to workflow automation. You can automate repetitive tasks like sending reminders, approvals, and updates to save time and improve efficiency. The other purpose is reporting and dashboards. You can generate custom report and build visual dashboard to gain insight into project performance and key metrics. Integrations connect with other tools like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and Salesforce to streamline workflows and centralize the data. So, in general, Smartsheet is a versatile tool that can be used by teams of all sizes across various industries to improve productivity, to collaborate, and to track project success. So, in short, Smartsheet is very versatile tool that can actually enhance our work and our uh, project progress as well. So let's see what it looks like from inside of the Smartsheet. So I will show you some of the views. Here the first one is grid view. As you can see in this grid view, once you have actually created, you will create it on a grid view. For example, for a sample of the project I've created, here is the activity list. Here is assigned to person. This is the status which shows in progress, completed, or not started. Here is the start date of the activity, the end date. This is the duration. Uh, you can actually use this section if you like, but let's focus for today's topic the activity list assigned to progress and start date and end dates. So this is a grid view. You will actually create this in the smart sheet. So it looks like this in the grid view. Let me show you other views as well. Here is a board view. In the board view, you can see status categorization, where you can see activities not started here, activities in progress, and completed activities. So you can get that one. So you can change the view section, either grid view or board view. You can just directly clicking here and you can actually change that view. The other is the timeline view. It also shows the timeline here. This is the timeline view where you will find timeline here. Here is the months, and here are the assigned person with their activity here and their progress as well here. For example, take this first guy, Abdi. This activity is not started. This is in progress, and these activities are actually completed. The other view is Gantt view, where you can see the progress using the Gantt chart. As you can see here, the Gantt view also shows you the dates on which those activities are actually implemented. That's the Gantt view. The next one is card view. In the card view, you will see activities categorization. In this, for example, here we have 3 activities not started, and here in progress we have 4 activities. Here in the bracket we have the number of activities in progress. For not started, again 3 in bracket, and here are we have 4 activities completed under the category of completed activities. So you can see that under card view. Here is also a calendar view. Under calendar view, you have a calendar here where you can see where those activities are implemented or going to be implemented. So what is the purpose of this? So the purpose of this is to effectively follow up our project progress, to visualize project progress, to identify activities that should be supported, to identify team or individuals that should be supported, to know overall project progress, to plan strategy to improve implementation, and so on. So for whom this is recommended, the following are potential users. Project or program managers can use it, project or program team can use it, M&D coordinators or M&D lead can use it, meal staff or M&D staff can use it, team coordinators can use it, donors can use it, planning team, even individuals who want to track their project or their activity can use it. So thank you very much for today, and use this template for your project tracking system. We recommend for uh, project managers, program managers, project and program team, M&D coordinators and M&D lead, mill staff, M&D staff, team coordinators, and so on. Please subscribe to Get Data Solution. If you like this video, please also share it to your connects. So that is it on smart sheets for today, and we will have a follow-up videos which will demonstrate practically inside the smart sheet itself. So try to catch up with that as well. Thank you very much, and bye bye.